Okay, we have our head here. We let it set up and dry good. So we're going to sand this all down now. And I'll be using a palm sander, some hand sanding, this for some smaller areas, these brushes for smaller areas, and this palm sander. So we're going to start sanding this down and getting it smoothed down, then we can go in and touch up what needs to be touched up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. These little brushes here are good for on the inside where you can't reach. So we're going to continue to get this sanded down, then we'll come on to the next step. Thanks for watching.